Alright, auto fix. Today we have, it's so cold, and today we have this van. We gotta put the starter in for this van right here. Yeah, cool. That's the core, and the starter is here. Let's go. The starter fits here. Right. We put the first 10 right here. Now we're gonna put the 13 right here. One hand go from this side, and the other hand goes from this side. Alright. Now we're gonna have to tighten those. Okay. And put the ratchets from inside there with the extension. Alright. I think it's tight. And now we're gonna tighten the small one. Extension ratchets. We tighten the 10 right here. I think it's tight. Now, I'll put the first bolt from the top. We're gonna try to catch this one right here. It's 13. Alright, after replacing the starter, the car starts now. Very good. We got a new starter from the dealer. Perfect.
Huh?